Sprout Network. So this is it on Google Play Store. When you click on the link I'll leave for you in the pinned comment and also on the Telegram page, you find yourself here. So without any further ado, let's hit the install button, and while that is running, let's also see the about this app page. It's said to be a digital currency built for everyone. Digital mining app allows you to manage and grow your Sprout balance over time. Become part of an inclusive community and grow your network. Sprout is lightweight, eco-friendly, and consumes minimal battery power. So this has been trending actually, and obviously the last update here was on the 24th of October. That's like 1 month ago. So it means the team are actually on this project and not an abandoned project. App downloaded. Let's launch it. Analytics consent. All right, accept. And you have the option to sign up with email or Google account. So I'm going with email. You fill up this page, you provide your email address, you choose a password, you confirm password, you check this here to accept the terms of service and privacy policy, and you click on create account. Sprout is an invite only app. You must have an invitation to join, right? So my invite code will be in the pinned comment of this video and also on the Telegram page, so you can easily copy it to the clipboard before you even start the registration process. So on the next page, you're supposed to verify your email address. So you click on send verification link here and it will be sent. So you come to your inbox and you click on this link here and it says email has been verified. Now you go back to the app and you click on I have verified, refresh. Now it's time for the invite code. It's very important. Invite code is mandatory. Use my invite code. Alright, so I've imputed one from my referral. Now I will choose a nickname. Click on continue. Create a username. That will be your invite code. Continue. Welcome to Sprout Network. Start earning Sprout. Tap once every day to begin your 24-hour earning session. Grow your earning team. Start a Sprout streak. Level up. Contribute to something big. Be part of growing community of earning Sprout directly on your phone. Continue. Your privacy respected. We only ask for your email and nickname. We don't sell or share your info. We are not like other apps. Continue. Let's enable notifications in case you run out of a session and you'll be reminded to start a new one. Number 1 Bitcoin mining game. Is this an advert or something? Bitcoin Miner Bro is a fast-paced mining game where you build your operation, unlock upgrades, and build your digital empire. It delivers a clean blend of strategy and so on. I think this is an ad. So here we are, and tap here to boost your earnings. Well, this is like a tutorial to take you around the different features that you'll be using to earn. You can skip it, or you might just go through it and click finish. So now, so they have ads, by the way. So after watching an ad, and am I mining already? So my mining rate is 0.5 sprouts. My balance is 1 sprout. So what's happening here? Where are we? Whoa. The halving has been done 1, 2, 3 times. We are in the 4th place now. Then next. All right, so the project is already in the works. So I've entered the mining session. My balance is 3 sprout. My mining speed is 0.6 sprout per hour. Right, so you can boost here. It looks like you've got some ads to watch to do that. My earning team is just one, the person that referred me. This is where we currently are. Right, not just starting, they are making progress. From the beginning you could earn 4 per hour, and then they halved it down to 2 and to 1, and now we are at 0.5. Next is 0.25. right, so now is the next best time to join. People who joined earlier, they must have accumulated far more. So that's what's up. Earning team, I haven't referred anyone. By the time you join, I will, have someone on my team. Currently, it's just the person that referred me. Let's check the leaderboard. Okay, these are the people whooping asses in this game. So that's to tell you that the supply of this project is actually controlled. To see the person topping the leaderboard has less than 1 million tokens, right? So that should tell you a lot. So projects with low supply turn out to outperform those with ridiculously high tokens in supply. It's just my opinion, due to my experience hunting crypto. So on the settings page, you can change your email address, turn on notification, change language, and other stuff. You can find the frequently asked questions here. It will answer lots of the questions you might have in mind. Can I change my referral code? No, you can. How do I reset my password? Will I lose my points if I uninstall and reinstall the app? Nope. Are my points stored securely? These and more, you can find the answers in the FAQs, right? So that's basically what Sprout Network is at a glance, right? And I'll be able to bring you further updates about the project. But before we shut down the video, let's check out their official Twitter page. They have a followership of 28k, and I'm gonna hit the follow button so I don't get to miss a damn thing. Sprout. All right, so this is the app update. Contest time. For limited time, every new invite you bring into Sprout Network app earns you raffle entries towards some Big Sprout. Oh, they're talking NFTs here. That's cool. Well, guys, I wouldn't want to take all of your time on this, right? So you go, jump on it, register, and see what you can do while you can. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye-bye.